Is your Deta fire alarm constantly going off for no reason? You're not alone. False alarms are a common issue, often stemming from dust, humidity, or cooking fumes. First, identify the cause. Is it happening only when you cook or shower? Once you determine the potential cause, silence the alarm. Then, clean the sensor by gently vacuuming it to remove any dust or debris. Avoid using water or chemicals. After cleaning, test the unit by pressing the test button. If the alarm still sounds without a real fire, consider environmental factors or move the alarm to a location away from those factors, such as vents or bathrooms. Regular testing is key to ensuring your Deta fire alarm functions properly. Press the test button weekly to confirm it's working. If the alarm doesn't sound or continues to false alarm after cleaning, it might be time for a replacement. Deta recommends replacing alarms every 10 years due to sensor degradation. When replacing, consider newer smart models that offer features like remote silencing and smartphone notifications. Ensure the new alarm complies with local fire codes for installation and interconnect them for whole home coverage. Also, check Deta's website for any end-of-life notices related to your specific model.